Now into the studio with your host of Law Talk, attorney Steve Sabra.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is attorney Steven Sabra. You're listening to Law Talk on 1480 WSAR. We do this show every Tuesday from 1 to 2 p.m. And it's your opportunity to call in with any law-related questions. Our call-in number 508-673-1480.
What age limit do they have to retire in the Supreme Court?
Well, that's
or do they just stay there until they fall down? That's the way it looks to me.
Well, there's no age limit, and that's a really good question because it's different in the state. In Massachusetts, there's an age limit of 70.
Well, that's what I thought, because all your bishops in the city here have to retire at 70.
Yeah, it's 70 in Massachusetts, but the federal system, including not just the U.S. Supreme Court, but the federal courts, are their lifetime appointments. So sometimes people, some judges in the federal system, not the U.S. Supreme Court, but in the federal system, they'll go on senior status, they hear less cases, that type of thing. But that's a big issue because when a U.S. Supreme Court judge steps off the bench, retires, whatever, then the president gets to nominate someone, and then that has to go through a confirmation process with the Senate. So people look very carefully and wonder what's going on, because one retires, it changes the whole sort of balance.
The Senate, they can stay till any age they want too, right?
As long as they get elected.
Boy, that's a shame, though, isn't it?
Well, I mean, that's a debate that people always have about whether you should have term limits, whether...
yeah, they should have term limits. Give somebody else a shot at it.
Yeah, you know
oh, my dog's coughing.
It's not a bad point, but the other side of the coin on these age issues is that, it's a very sensitive thing to say to somebody, well, you can't remain in the Senate. You're not with it anymore. Who's going to make that determination? It's hard enough to make a determination with family when you have to tell them, geez, you shouldn't be driving anymore. My name is attorney Steven Sabra. You've been listening to Law Talk on 1480 WSAR.